Welcome to the road to 1 million US dollars. Let's get right into the Bitcoin chart for today, starting on this 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. Because currently we are trading inside this Fibonacci golden pocket sitting between 62K and 62.7K for the Bitcoin price, potentially about to break out further to the upside here and make that next move up to this 0.786 Fibonacci level sitting at 65.5K. However, at the same time, be cautious because this can still just be a fake out and then get a rejection back to the downside from this Fibonacci golden pocket. So if we would now confirm a breakout below these previous lows here that we made over the weekend, basically breaking down below 62K, then likely we are coming down for another move to this 0.5 Fibonacci level, sitting at 59.5K, or basically just 60K for the Bitcoin price. So basically right now, this is just the trading range for Bitcoin. And if we really want to see an extended breakout, either to the upside or to the downside, we either need to break this 0.786 Fibonacci level or this 0.5 Fibonacci level. Because if we take a look at the bigger support and resistance levels for Bitcoin, you can see that a break below 59.5K would likely send us down to this next big level of support below that, already at 58,000 all the way down to 56,000 US dollars for the Bitcoin price. However, breaking out above 65.5K, or basically this big level of resistance here, sitting from 65 up to 66K, then this would already likely send us up into this next big level of resistance, sitting from 67.5K all the way up to 70,000 US dollars for the Bitcoin price. Now, if we actually also take a look at the 1 day time frame for Bitcoin, you can see that breaking out above 66K here would also basically be a breakout above this descending channel here for Bitcoin that we have been consolidating in for over 6 months at this point. And the base case on this channel the entire way through has been that basically we are just chopping around sideways in this range here, but at some point the expectation is that we are going to break out to the upside to grab a bunch of liquidity here and potentially start making all-time highs after that. But my base case is that we are going to grab this liquidity here at about 72,000 US dollars for the Bitcoin price at some point after we confirm this breakout to the upside. Now, of course, there is always a point of invalidation for a trading idea like this. And for me, the point of invalidation is if we actually confirm a breakout below this descending channel here. And I do specifically mean a confirmed breakout because here we see a big wick below the descending channel, but a wick doesn't confirm a breakout. So we actually held this as a level of support here. We saw the same thing right here. So therefore, so long as we keep trading inside this range for Bitcoin, we can simply go to the top of the descending channel and we can go to the bottom of the descending channel as well. So that is a bit more of a macro perspective and basically just the base case of this entire channel here. Next, taking a look at the Bitcoin liquidation heat map, first of all on the 1 week time frame. And right here, you can see that we basically got exactly what we expected over the weekend here. As I said on Friday, over the weekend, I'm just expecting some choppy sideways price action and basically Bitcoin is grabbing liquidity on both sides, so to the upside and to the downside as well. After reversing a bit to the downside here, Bitcoin now reversed again and is grabbing a bunch of liquidity at about 63K for the Bitcoin price. And there is in fact a bunch more liquidity to the upside here. So there's still a big pocket at about 63.3K for the Bitcoin price. That could be a potential price target early on in the week here. However, do keep in mind that we really need to see that confirmed breakout above that Fibonacci golden pocket. So above 62.7K for the Bitcoin price. And if we take a look at the 6-month time frame for Bitcoin, this is showing that most of the liquidity is sitting at about 72.3K for the Bitcoin price. And obviously we are talking about the higher time frames here, but this is exactly that base case scenario that I was talking about, that at some point we are going to see a breakout of that descending channel and grabbing a bunch of liquidity at 72K here. Now, lastly, if you are actively trading crypto, I highly recommend you join the Road to 1 Million community on Discord, because this is a very active community of people that are trading crypto every single day and sharing their analysis as well. Currently, we have over 1,800 members inside the Discord, and it is completely free. You can find the link to this in the video description, and hopefully I see you in here later today. Either way, if you do end up joining the Discord server or not, thank you for watching once again, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one.